In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate QuickBooks to manage your invoices and payments. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to keep everything organized and running smoothly. So let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can make the most of this powerful tool. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. This is where it all begins. The homepage offers an overview of your financial activities, showing you what needs attention. Familiarizing yourself with this space can help you stay on top of your business's finances. Once you're on the homepage, direct your focus to the Invoices section. Click on Invoices, and this is your launchpad for managing all things related to billing your clients. Here, you'll find a list of all your invoices, both pending and settled. It's a fantastic way to keep track of what money is coming in and what still needs to be collected. Now, to begin creating a new invoice, look for the New button. Clicking this allows you to start draft invoices, ensuring you can swiftly and efficiently serve your clients with the necessary billing. It also streamlines your workflow, making it easier for businesses of any size to handle payments seamlessly. After setting up a new invoice, you might want to focus on receiving payments. QuickBooks makes this step really straightforward. Look for and click on the Receive Payment option. This function is crucial for tracking what funds have come in and what's still outstanding. It helps ensure that all of your transactions are accurately recorded. The next step is selecting the customer. QuickBooks allows you to easily navigate through your customer list to identify who you are receiving a payment from. Click on Customer and scroll through your existing list or add new customers as needed. This feature makes it hassle-free to keep tabs on your customer relationships. Once your customer is selected, you'll move to Record or Charge the payments. Clicking Record or Charge helps you ensure that all financial transactions are accurately logged and accounted for. Accurate record keeping is vital for maintaining a spotless audit trail and helps you pinpoint and resolve discrepancies quickly. Finally, QuickBooks offers a helpful feature to search for transactions by invoice number. Click on Find by Invoice No if you need to quickly locate specific transactions. This feature can be particularly useful if you need to double-check a particular invoice or troubleshoot payment issues. And there you have it, a streamlined process to manage your invoices and track payments effectively using QuickBooks. Following these steps will help ensure your finances are well organized and up to date. Thank you for following along, and don't hesitate to explore more features in QuickBooks to find the tools that best fit your financial management style.